Dispute Beast Review. Is this app legit or useful? If you've come across Dispute Beast and are wondering whether it's a legitimate app or genuinely useful for managing disputes letters, or credit-related challenges, this review will walk you through what the app claims to do, how it works, and key things to consider before you download or start using it. Dispute Beast is presented as a mobile or web-based app designed to help users generate dispute letters, manage financial or credit issues, and provide guidance on how to contest errors with creditors, credit bureaus, or collections. The core appeal is having a tool that simplifies complex procedures by automating letter writing, tracking progress, and offering templates you might not have to build from scratch. Getting started with Dispute Beast usually involves signing up for an account, entering your dispute details, and selecting templates or guidance paths that match your situation. A clean, intuitive interface can let you focus on the dispute process itself rather than wrestling with confusing menus. However, a polished design alone doesn't guarantee that the app is effective or trustworthy. One of the most important things to consider with any dispute or financial assistance app is whether it delivers accurate, legally sound templates and whether its guidance aligns with recognized procedures. Legitimate tools help you prepare letters that are clear, relevant, and technically appropriate for the type of dispute, whether it's credit errors, billing mistakes, or other consumer issues. If the templates are generic, overly simplistic, or outdated, the usefulness of the app can be limited. Security and privacy are also key considerations. A trustworthy app will protect your personal and financial data with secure connections and clear privacy practices. If privacy policies are vague or the app requests permissions unrelated to its core function, that's a red flag worth noting. User feedback and reviews can also help determine whether Dispute Beast is worth using. Verified user reviews that mention successful dispute outcomes, clear guidance, and a positive experience are encouraging signs. Generic praise or overly positive comments without detail make it harder to evaluate the app's real-world value. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Dispute Beast can appeal to users who want a structured way to generate dispute letters and walk through dispute management steps without starting from scratch. A clean and intuitive interface helps ease the process for those unfamiliar with legal or financial dispute procedures. On the downside, the cons focus on clarity, validation, and depth. Some key features may be behind a subscription, and limited verified user feedback makes it harder to confirm real positive outcomes across a wide user base. The quality and relevance of templates can vary depending on your situation, and unclear privacy practices could raise concerns for those sharing sensitive information. In summary, Dispute Beast can be useful if you want a guided, template-based tool to help with dispute letters and related processes, especially if you're new to handling disputes. However, mixed template quality, limited reliable feedback, and subscription factors mean you should approach with balanced expectations, review privacy practices, and consider comparing it with more established dispute resources before fully committing.